Hey guys, it's me, the Fun Cat Queen here, and I'm here with Tigger. And in this video, it's going to be a squishy package from Storenvy. I know, something other than Macari. But anyway, let's get into the video. So this squishy seller was named... It was like, not squishy, the shop was Kawaii Squishy Shop. I'll link it in the description down below. Oh yeah, here's the package. Okay, I kind of peeked, but you guys can get a peek. Okay, so the first squishy I pull out is a Hebrew. So I got this Hebrew bunny. And as you know, I'm trying to collect all the Hebrew squishies, so I found this shop had some, and I had to buy them. There was a few that was out of stock that I wanted to get, but that's totally fine. It's like a little bit deformed, but I guess that's fine. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. It smells like just like scentless, just like foam, just regular foam. Next squishy. Okay, this one is, oh, it's also Hebrew. Okay, so we have the Himalaya ice cream. This packaging is really big for the squishy. All these seem to form. Hopefully they like grow out as packaging. Maybe it was just from like shipping. Well, this one's very airy. Smells like strawberries a little bit. Or like a soap smell. Next squishy. Okay, I think this is my invoice. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I ordered 5 squishies. Next thing is her business card. So this is the business card. The next one, okay, this is the only squishy that's not a Hebrew. Is this dancing sheep. This is one of my dream squishies. I'm so glad I finally have it. This is by the brand Taber Artha. It's like a soap, but it feels really good. This is actually way bigger than I thought. I didn't have to be this big. Let's see. Let's give it a squish. Okay. It's soft. It's supposed to have like another type of texture, but it feels like a normal foam squishy. Smells like, again, soap. And it looks like a little deformity, I don't know if you can tell, with the paint. Let's see. Next squishy. So the next squishy I ordered is this Kibu seashell. That felt airy. Again, they all have the same soapy smell. This is really soft too. And it feels like a texture of a seashell if you just like rub it like this. It's really cool. Okay, we're gonna go to the next one. I think that's the last thing in here. It is this Hammurabi bread. This is huge. It's from Hebrew. Oh my god. Expect it to be like maybe this size, but like flatter. But no, it's huge. Smells like the Hebrew bread, like the Colossal bread. if you have that squishy. So that is it for this whole entire video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And as always, bye kitty fans!